morning everyone. Today we will start Akbarnama and the Badshah. Before we proceed, we shall know about Akbarnama and Badshah. Basically, it is a chronology, chronicles. Chronicles, Akbar Nama is of Akbar. And if we talk about Badshah Nama, it is of Shah. First thing is Akbar Nama is of Akbar and Shahjahan Nama, Badshah Nama is of Shah. Second thing, Akbar Nama is written by Abu Fazl, whereas Shahjahan Nama or Badshah Nama we divide into three parts. First is Badshah Nama or Badshah Nama और शाहजहां. Shahjahan. Basically, Shahjahan Nama. It is written by Inayat Khan. If we talk about Badshah Nama or Badshah Nama, it is written by Abdul Al-Hamid Lahori. So, Shahjahan Nama, it is written by Inayat Khan. Badshah Nama or Badshah Nama, it is written by Abdul Al-Hamid Lahori. So, before we start the topic, we should know about the following word. First is manuscript. Manuscript is basically a handwritten document. If we talk about the handwritten document, the document that is written on soft piece of paper, either paper or leaves, that is called manuscript, basically handwritten document. Then we have inscriptions, writing on hard surface. Hard surface include pillars, stones, etc. Let us take an example of written on hard surface inscription. We are having Ashoka inscription, Ashoka pillar inscription. Ashoka pillar inscription is an example of inscription that is written on hard surface, that was written on pillars, on stones, etc. Chronicles. If we talk about chronicles, chronically basic term to history. Itihas, in Hindi we can Itihas. Example, Itihas. Let us talk about Babur, about Akbar, about Shahjahan. इन सब का इतिहास, इन सब की हिस्ट्री इज कॉल्ड क्रोनिकल्स. लाइक अकबर, बाबर बायोग्राफी इज कॉल्ड बाबर नामा. अकबर बायोग्राफी इज कॉल्ड अकबर नामा. एंड शाहजहां बायोग्राफी इज डिवाइडेड into three parts. First is called शाहजहां नामा, or we can say Badshah Nama, or we can say Padshah Nama. So this thing you must keep in your mind. Shahjahan biography is divided into three parts. First is called Shahjahan Nama, or we can say Badshah Nama, or we can say Padshah Nama. Now what is the basic difference between Shahjahan Nama, Badshah Nama and the Padshah Nama is Shahjahan Nama is unillustrated. Shahjahan Nama is unillustrated, whereas Badshah Nama and Padshah Nama is illustrated. Now the question arises, what is unillustrated and what is illustrated? So I will tell you a story. There was a plant, there were some trees, behind those trees there was a mountain, and next to the mountain there was some river. I tell you a story that is called unillustrated, means without picturization. But when I tell you the story with picturization, for example, this is a tree, and behind this tree there is a mountains, and below that mountain the river is flowing. That is with illustration, with picturization. So This is called picturization. So basically Babarnama divided into three, Shahjahanama is divided into three parts: Shahjahanama, Badshahnaama, Padshahnaama. Shahjahanama without any illustration, without any picturization, but Badshahnaama and Padshahnaama with illustration, with picturization. Next is the chronology. Chronology is basically time period. Who come first, who come second, who come third, who come fourth. Chronology is the time period. Next word is beta chronicles. Chronicles, as we told, chronicle is basically history, इतिहास of any history of Akbarnama and Badshahnaama are most well known. सबसे ज़्यादा जानी जाती है Akbarnama and Badshahnaama. Each manuscript contain an average of 150. You must keep in mind, each manuscript contain 150. What 150? Full page painting or double page painting. Full page painting. The single page is called full page, but when two pages combine, it's called double page. Each manuscript contain an average of 150 full page painting or double page painting. किसकी painting है? Of all the battles, of all the siege, of all the building construction, of all the court scene and all the hunts. इन सब की पेंटिंग आपको हर मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट में मिलती है. Each manuscript contain average of 150 single page or double page painting. Next is the chronicles, इतिहास is based on range of sources. जो आपकी हिस्ट्री है, जो आपका इतिहास है, कुछ सोर्सेज पे बेस्ड है. वो कौन से सोर्स है? व्हिच आर द सोर्सेज? एक्चुअल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ इवेंट. लड़ाइयाँ हुई, 1857 की क्रांति हुई, 1947 की लड़ाई हुई, बहुत सारी लड़ाई हुई, बैटल ऑफ बक्सर हुई, बैटल ऑफ पानीपत हुई. एक्चुअल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ इवेंट्स, जो एक्चुअल रिकॉर्ड है. दूसरा, ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स जितने होते हैं. तीसरा, ओरल टेस्टिमनी ऑफ नॉलेजेबल पर्सन. ओरल टेस्टिमनी मीन्स बेस्ड ऑन मेमोरी, जो आपकी मेमोरी बेस्ड होती है. इन तीनों के आधार पे ये क्रॉनिकल्स बनाए जाते थे, सोर्सेज से, जहां से हमने ये सारा डाटा लिखा. तो क्रॉनिकल्स इज बेस्ड ऑन रेंज ऑफ सोर्सेज. ये सारे तीन सोर्सेज हैं जिसके ऊपर आपके क्रॉनिकल्स बेस्ड हैं, जिसके ऊपर आपका इतिहास बेस्ड है. तो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द क्रॉनिकल्स. फटाक से रिवाइज करते हैं एक बार. द अकबरनामा एंड द बादशाहनामा. अकबरनामा बायोग्राफी ऑफ अकबर, किसने लिखी है? अबू फजल ने लिखी है. बादशाहनामा बायोग्राफी ऑफ शाहजहां, किसने लिखी है? 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड है. कैसे? शाहजहानामा और बादशाहनामा और पादशाहनामा. शाहजहानामा लिखी इनायत खान ने, बादशाहनामा और पादशाहनामा लिखी अब्दुल अल हामिद लाहौरी. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नाम है, अब्दुल अल हामिद लाहौरी. नेक्स्ट, मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट मींस हैंड डॉक्यूमेंट. हाथ से पत्थर पे तो लिखोगे नहीं, नेचुरल सी बात है. यू विल बी राइटिंग ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, ऑन लीव्स, मींस ऑन सॉफ्ट सरफेस. तो हैंड रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट. इंस्क्रिप्शन, राइटिंग ऑन हार्ड सरफेस. हार्ड सरफेस मींस स्टोन्स, पिलर एक्सेट्रा. एग्जांपल के तौर पे देखते हैं अशोक पिलर इंस्क्रिप्शन. और हमारे पास दो इंस्क्रिप्शन है, इलाहाबाद पिलर इंस्क्रिप्शन. Ashok pillar inscription and Allahabad pillar inscription, that is a part of inscription, means writing on hard surface. Next we have chronicles, itihas, history. Let me talk about itihas, history of 3 kings, Babur, Akbar, Shahjahan. Babur biography is called Babarnama, written by Babur. Akbar biography is called Akbarnama, written by Akbar. Abu Fazl. Shahjahanama divided into 3 parts: Shahjahanama, Badshahnaama, Padshahnaama. Shahjahanama, that is written by Inayat Khan. Badshahnaama and Padshahnaama, that is written by Abdul Al Hamid Lahori. Difference क्या सब में? That is without picturization, unillustrated. That is with picturization, illustrated. Next, chronicles. Each history of Akbarnama and Badshahnaama most well known, everybody know. Each manuscript contain average of 150 full page painting or double page painting of, किसकी painting है? Of all the battles, of all the siege, of all the building construction, of all the court scene, of all the hunts. The chronicle is based on range of sources. अब जो chronicles बनते हैं, जो इतिहास बनता है, वो किसी ना किसी पे तो based होगा. तो that is based on actual records of event official document, and oral testimony of knowledgeable person, that is based on memorial. Memorial means based on memory. So that was all about a little bit about the Akbarnama and Badshahnama. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.